love to collect. Alright guys, so here are the cute little ice creams. I love that they're little ice creams. I just want to eat them. Nom, nom, nom. Alright guys, so let's open them up. Okay, that's so cool. Take off this first. Right. Oh, I see somebody hiding inside. Let's take a closer look. Oh, guys, look it. She's so cute. Aww. Alright guys, so look who we got. We got little berry stripes. She's so cute. Oh my god, she smells so good. I wish you guys were here to smell her. And she's so cuddly. Alright guys, this is so cool. So they can transform into an ice cream to a cat. No wonder why their names are cool cats. So here's little berry stripes. She's so cute. Alright guys, so let's open up our last one. Guys, these guys are so cute. Alright, let's get her out. Oh, it's already coming. Come on out. Alright guys, so here she is. Let's see what her name is. We got Choco Kitty Cone. She is so cute. She smells so good too. She smells a little better than that one because she's chocolate. I could eat her. She smells so good though. Cuddles. Alright, sit up with your friend. Thank you so much, Sunny Day.